Hello and welcome everyone. And I think so only Matilda, you are here for now. So
Mhm.
yeah, this is our last session for UK taxation for business and individuals, which is assignment. Okay, so
Okay.
previously we discussed different kind of taxation, UK related taxes, capital gain tax, inheritance tax, VAT, which is most commonly known as a value added tax,
Mm.
and also income tax and national insurance number as well. So we discussed and different kind of taxations and taxation rules, and also how accountant process UK taxations and working on it. So today is our assignment. There are, as you can see that on my screen. Can you see my screen and can you hear my voice as well?
I can hear your voice, but the screen is a bit I can't see the writing well. It's too small. I don't know if it's from my end.
It looks okay to me, but uh,
Okay.
just hang on for a minute. Now,
Okay.
now,
Yeah, it's okay now. Mm-hmm.
now it's okay. Okay,
Yes,
good.
yes, very well.
Okay, all right, okay. So this is your assignment. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it's there are we will discuss assignment and tasks. Task one. Then there is task two, and I will explain you how you can get merit, pass, or distinctions. So there are
Okay.
about 3 tasks in your assignment, and that's it. So there is task one. Uh, let me, yeah, that's here. So you are prepare a booklet for distribution to all new clients entitled the UK taxation system and UK. So what do you do, Matilda? Are you a practicing accountant, or you're working in an accounting environment, or or
I'm working in a company that but an accountant, but I'm an accountant. The
okay,
Ministry of Finance, yeah. Ghana Ministry of Finance.
okay. So you are not practicing. So
Oh,
is it a
I'm
difference?
practicing.
Okay, are you practicing? Okay, so is there any difference between Ghana and UK?
Oh no, not really. Not
Obviously,
really.
basically concepts are same, but I mean, as you know that I'm discussing taxation, obviously it will be different taxation rates and
Yeah,
taxation,
the rate is different. The rate as for the rate is different.
because some
Ah.
countries don't use VAT, which is a more common in UK. So I
Oh,
don't.
Ghana, we use VAT very well.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's it.
Very is now the 15%.
Oh,
We use very
50%. Okay, okay. It's in UK is a 22%, 20%.
well. Okay, now Ghana, when you added everything, it should be 21.5. We have the
Okay,
corporate levy, the whole of it's 21.5.
okay.
Mm.
So in our first task, in this task, you are required to prepare a booklet titled "The UK Taxation System and
Mhm,
you for distribution to allow to all new clients." So
mhm,
this, in your assignment, this booklet should provide a comprehensive understanding of the UK taxation system, including its implications on various aspects of organizational activities. So
mhm.
here we will talk about that how you can writing down, or how you can discuss in your booklet.
Okay.
So, number first is you can analyze income and income tax liabilities relating to overseas aspects of organizational activities. So if you go to learning outcome one
Mhm,
here,
mhm.
uh, I'm just coming down, and here learning outcome one here. Okay,
Okay.
can you see that the learners are required to prepare a booklet? So for pass, for the practical aspect of the task, the learner need to ensure there
They've
are
used
yeah. That's it. So here, merit, just let me a bit. Yeah, here is, can you see that here is a merit standard? The learner must evaluate income and income tax liabilities in relation to trustees or trusts. Practical examples should be used to explain the theory aspects of this task. And then this is requirement for distinctions required to assess the use of stamp taxes in the UK, also known as stamp duty. Okay. So I'll go back to my task 1. Yeah. So analyze income and income tax liabilities relating to, here, relating to overseas spectrum of organizational activity. So you need to explain how income is classified in the UK for tax purposes. For example, up to, that 12,500 pound is exempt, and then up to 35,000 or 37,500, its tax rate is 20%, and then up to 40% and plus, that then 45%. Okay. So also you need to discuss how income from overseas activities is treated for tax purposes. Provide example illustration the calculation of income tax liabilities related to both domestic and overseas income. So when things comes to tax, obviously you are accountant and you know many things, that they look at your all income, whether it's within the country or outside the country, okay, which comes to you. Okay.
Yes.
Hi, who's there?
It's Ali speaking. Morning.
Hi, Ali. How are you? You okay?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. How are you feeling now? You well?
It's better than before.
I just started now, so I'm just on task 1. Okay.
Okay.
So next, explain the application of additional exemptions and reliefs. So this is a learning outcome again, section 1.2. You need to describe the various exemptions and relief available under the UK systems. Also, you can provide, example of situations where these exemptions and reliefs can be applied to reduce tax liabilities, and then analyze chargeable gains and capital gain tax liabilities involving overseas aspects of organizational activities. So in this, analyze here. Can you see that? Yeah, here number 4. So here you need to explain the concept of chargeable gains and how capital gain tax is applied in the UK. Discuss how chargeable gains related to overseas assets are treated and calculated for capital gain tax purposes. And everybody can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay.
One question, like when we are explaining taxable gain for capital CGT purposes, right? So
Yeah.
now question is that we have to give the what is CGT, how it is taxed in UK for domestic and the overseas purposes.
Both purposes, overseas.
And also depends on who is gaining the charges, like
gaining the charges and both purposes, domestic and
overseas. Yeah.
Overseas. Okay.
Okay.
And then examine the application of inheritance tax. Here is talking about inheritance tax. So when you will come here, it's you need to explain the principles of valuation for assets subjects to inheritance tax. Describe the available reliefs and exemptions under inheritance tax law. You can discuss how transfers of property to and from trust impact inheritance tax liabilities. Also, you can provide example to illustrate the calculation of inheritance tax. Okay, so then assess the application of corporation tax liabilities relating to overseas aspects of organizational activities. Here in this, section, you can explain the concept of corporation tax in the UK and implication for both. Here he's saying, that for both domestic and overseas activities as well. So discuss how foreign income is treated and taxed under the UK corporation tax regime. And then you need to provide practical scenario to demonstrate the calculation of corporation tax liabilities. Then last one is for task 1, evaluate the use of VAT in the tax UK system. Matilda, here I was talking about VAT, okay?
Okay.
Which is 20% in UK market and 15% in your market.
It's
So
20. Now, when you combine, we have the total will be 21.5.
oh, 21.5.
This year, yes. We have the
Oh.
15% VAT rate. We have the NHIS, and then we have the get fund. So when you add some up to 21.5.
Okay, okay. So so VAT, when you talk about VAT, describe the basis. Well, when you write your assignment, Matilda, basic concepts are same everywhere. Okay, accounting basic concepts are same, taxation basic concepts are same. So only main difference is percentages. Okay, so when you talk about VAT, describe the basics of value added tax or VAT in the UK, including registration and rates. Explain how VAT applies to businesses and their transactions. I hope you know, Ali, very well about VAT because it's in your routine work. So provide example of how VAT is calculated and its impact on businesses operations. Yes, so for merit, to achieve a merit task 1, you should also evaluate income and income tax liabilities in relation to trusts, discuss how trusts affect income and income tax liabilities, and provide examples to illustrate the tax implications of trusts. For distinctions, you need to assess the use of stamp taxes in the UK taxation systems, and also you need to explain what stamp taxes are, when they apply, and provide examples of how stamp taxes impact different transactions and financial activities in the UK. Here this is extension. The learners are required to assess the use of stamp taxes in the UK taxation system. Evaluation should be detailed, balanced, and justified. So also, if any one of you need sample assignment, please let me know that you already got my number, Ali. So
yes.
Message me and I will message you. That's the quickest way, or otherwise you guys can email me. Okay, Matilda, as well.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Sorry, the children were disturbing me. I have to get to a exam, please. Sorry.
No, that's fine. I just saying that if anyone needs, you guys have my number as well. I left last week, but I can.
No, I don't have your number, please. If you can.
Yeah, I can do it again then. So what you can do, you guys can message me. That's the quickest way, or otherwise you can email me. So what I'll do that I can send you a sample assignment. Okay.
That will be really helpful.
Yes, that will be easy for you. So can you guys see my number?
Yes, I already have it. So
Yeah. Matilda, there is in meeting chat. Hello. Okay. So now we will talk about task 2. You are going to lead a business breakfast workshop on the topic of taxation. Prepare a presentations with accompanying speakers' notes. So in this talks, you are tasked with leading a business breakfast workshop on the topic of taxation. Your presentation should cover various aspects of taxations and provide valuable insights to the attendees. So how you can address each of the specified points, apply taxes to give situations. So here you can provide practical example of different businesses scenarios. Then also you can apply relevant taxes such as income tax, corporation tax, VAT to these scenarios. Also clearly show your, sorry.
Is that? Oh, sorry, pardon me.
Okay, so clearly show your calculation and explain the reasoning behind each tax applications. Okay. Then analyze tax advantages and disadvantages of different course of actions. Here you can discuss the different course of actions that businesses can take, such as investment decisions, organizational structures, and financing options. Also, you can analyze the tax implication of each course of action, highlighting both advantages and any disadvantages. Also provide real world example to illustrate the impact of these decisions on tax liabilities. Then assess the statutory obligations imposed in given situations, include the implication of non-compliance. When you write about obligations and implication of non-compliance, you need to explain the statutory obligations that businesses must adhere to under the UK tax laws. Highlight the legal consequences of non-compliance, including penalties and fine. Ali, we discussed last week different penalties and fines.
Yes.
Then use practical scenarios, illustrate the importance of compliance and the risks of non-compliance. Then next is a communication, advice, and information is an appropriate format for all relevant stakeholders. You need to ensure that your presentation is structured to effectively communicate tax advice and information to all relevant stakeholders. So you need to work as practically, as a tax advisor, or including so effectively communication tax advice and information to all relevant stakeholders, such as business owners, managers, and financial professionals like financial advisors and investment advisors. Also use a clear, understandable language in a simple language, avoiding jargon to convey, complex tax concepts. So you can see, when I'll send you a sample assignment. So note assumptions made and limitations to the information provided to stakeholders. So clearly state any assumptions made in your examples and calculations. Explain the what is behind these assumptions, reasons behind these assumptions. Acknowledge the limitations of the information provided to stakeholders, emphasizing the need for tailored tax advice based on individual circumstances. So then the last one is assess non-taxation factors applicable to individual stakeholders. So when you will come to this point, you need to discuss non-taxation factors that can impact decision making for individual stakeholders. such as personal financial goals, risk tolerance, and ethical considerations. Just provide guidance on how to balance taxation consideration with other financial and non-financial factors. So task 2, you will look at, learning outcome 1. It's here. And to here. So the learner must assess the effect on taxation of financial decisions made by individuals and businesses. The written work should be supported by, as I said, practical examples, and learners are required to evaluate how alternative ways of achieving personal and business outcomes may lead to different tax consequences. So here is a pass criteria. Learner will prepare a presentation with accompanying speaker notes, format of which can be choose by the learner for the practical aspect of the tasks. So basically, for merit task, that to achieve a merit task, your presentation and speakers, where is gone? Here. So to achieve a merit, your presentation and speaker notes should assess the effect of financial decisions made by individuals and businesses on taxes, choice or organizational changes can influence tax liabilities and outcomes. Can you guys see my screen, and can you hear me as well?
Yes, we can. I
Okay.
can hear you.
Okay.
Yep.
So for to get distinction, to achieve a distinction, your presentation should evaluate how alternative ways of achieving personal and business outcomes may lead to different tax consequences, discuss strategic tax planning, and how different approaches can result in distinct tax outcomes. So also for all, the practical examples, you are free to use the data of your own choice. For any calculation, you should show your working and or explain how you, have prepared final figures.
Okay.
So there is a not a specific data. You can, you have a choice to choose data from anywhere. So I already, explained that how to get merit and distinction. So next one, task 3. So a client have requested online material to support him all taxation plannings. You are free to choose for format of material. So your online material use evaluate types of investment and expenditure resulting in a reduction in tax liabilities, review legitimate tax planning measures, evaluate the mitigation of tax and individual and businesses. So also you are free to choose the format of the material. For example, you could prepare a written booklet, a guide, a set of practical worked example recorded presentation that could be uploaded to YouTube, or presentation slides. For any calculations, you should show your working and or explain how you have prepared final figures. In this talks, you are required to create an online material to support clients with taxation planning. You have the freedom to choose the format of the material. So there are 3 main points: evaluate type of investment and expenditure resulting in a reduction in tax liabilities. So here you can identify and explain different types of investment and expenditures that can lead to a reduction in tax liabilities for individuals and businesses. Also, you can provide some practical examples and calculations to illustrate the potential tax benefits of these strategies. When you will come to the second point, which is review legitimate tax planning measures, here you can review various legitimate tax planning measures available, under the UK tax laws. Explain how these measures can be utilized to optimize tax positions while remaining compliant with the tax regulations. Also, you can provide case studies, for example, or examples to demonstrate the practical applications of these measures. Then you will come to the last point, which is evaluate the mitigation of tax and individuals and businesses. Evaluate tax mitigation strategies for both individuals and businesses, including methods for reducing tax liabilities. You can also discuss the implications and effectiveness of these strategies in different scenarios. Offer insights into long-term tax planning for sustainable tax mitigations. In this task, again, to get merit, to achieve a merit, your online material should also evaluate ethical and professional issues arising from the giving of tax planning advice, discuss ethical considerations in tax planning, including the responsibilities of tax professionals and potential conflict of interest. Provide examples of ethical dilemmas and how they can resolved. So for distinction, where is gone? Sure. To achieve a distinction, your online material must review current issues in taxation. So your online material should review current issues in taxation, explore and analyze recent changes, development, or or trends in tax laws and regulations. Discuss how these changes impact tax planning and strategies for individuals and businesses. So stay up to date with the latest tax related news and provide insight into how clients can adopt to new tax realities. Format choices, again, you have the freedom to choose the format of the online material. So, for example, written booklet or guide, you can create a comprehensive written guide that covers all aspects of taxations planning, complete with explanations, examples, and practical tips. Then set of practical worked examples. You can develop a series of practical examples along with step-by-step calculations, demonstrating various tax planning strategies and their impact. Then recorded presentations, YouTube or similar platform, record a video presentations where you discuss tax planning concepts, provide real world examples and visually explain calculations. Then is a presentation slides. You can create a set of visually appealing presentation slides that cover taxation planning topics, supported by detailed speakers notes. Also, you need to ensure that you choose format is accessible and engaging for clients, provide clear explanations and use visuals where necessary or to enhance understanding. Additionally, encourage clients to seek professional advice tailored to their specific circumstances and remind them of the importance of compliance with tax laws. That's it. You can go through these learning outcomes and requirement for passing criteria, merit here and distinction here. Final is submission guides. In your assignment, ensure that your assignment is, obviously you will type in English, but using a standard font and size, and use proper heading and subheadings to organize your assignment where necessary. And then make sure your assignment is well structured and free from any grammatical errors, because when that assessor checks, they consider grammar, they always go through every single piece and bits and bytes like grammatical mistakes and other things, especially presentations. So make sure your assignment is well structured and free from grammatical errors. Submit your assignment in a a PDF format. Okay. So the best way is submit in a PDF format instead Word documents or any other file. So also you should know that your assignment will be assessed based on demonstration of knowledge and understanding of finance and accounting concept in a business context. I mean that taxation laws and taxation concepts. So accuracy and proficiency in preparing financial statement and interpreting any tax data or any financial data, application of budget techniques and understanding the different type of budgets. So also note, I hope you guys know about plagiarism. Anyone?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So plagiarism in any form is not acceptable. Okay. Okay. In result, is severe penalties, including failure in the assignment, or can be entire course. So just be careful about you can, if you you can do paraphrase if you taking things from different books, or also you need to write a writer name, and that Harvard reference systems, that Harvard reference style for citations throughout your assignments. Additionally, include comprehensive Harvard styles bibliography, not just a reference list at the end of your work, even within the paragraphs or within the assignments. So after you have written your assignments, you need to take some time to edit and proofread, check for any errors such as spellings, grammar mistakes, and ensure that your written is very clear and concise. So
Is there any plagiarism software which we can use?
no, you don't need to, but you can. There are many free plagiarism software, so you can check there as well.
Okay.
There are many. If you go Google it, you can check that many normally what universities do is when you submit your assignment, you upload it on their plagiarism software. They give you a login and detail, but here is a different. You just make sure that in your end there is no plagiarism. But if you want to check that, there are many free software, you can, many websites there are, you can do basic plagiarism. Or if you have any login detail or anything else from your previous, if you have studied or anything. Okay, so make sure to follow the formatting guidelines. You can send me your assignment for if you want to check plagiarism, or you want me to review your work to provide feedback before your final submission. Okay, Ali, so I can check for you anyway.
Yep, sure.
Okay.
So also make sure to follow the formatting guidelines provided, including font size, line spacing, normally 1.5, and margins. Additionally, make sure to cite your sources using the appropriate citation style, that is a Harvard reference system. If you go to UK Versity, your learner management system, LMS, you can get a guideline there as well about referencing and plagiarism and everything. Also update your assignment content table. When you are finished your assignment, again, double check that you have followed all the requirement and guidelines, then submit your assignments on time. There is not a specific time limit, but we expect that 2 weeks after your final session, I mean, after today's. So, not coming Saturday. After that, you can submit before Monday. So they give you any dates on your LMS, learning management system?
No, I was thinking, is there any time limit
No, that's what I said.
submission of?
Yeah, that's what I said. You can submit before 2 weeks from today. So not coming Saturday after, okay? So
Okay.
not Saturday, but you can submit before Monday. So if
So-
sorry?
If we can say, due to the practical reason, if we cannot submit that within the time, then what will happen?
That's not a problem. You can message me, email me, or you can speak to Roman, or you can message me. They can extend your detail. As
Fine.
I know your situation, you are not well.
Yeah.
So if any issues that they can extend your dates, that's not an issue, Ali. That's not an issue.
Okay, thank you very
You
much.
can
Thank
start, yeah, you can start your another subject if obviously you are studying a diploma. This is a 1 unit, and same time you can do your assignments and you can get extension on anything else. Okay. Yes, Matilda, you want to say something?
Now, good morning. Now,
Good morning.
basically,
Who's there?
it's Hassan.
Hassan, how are you? You okay?
I'm all right. Thank you very much, sir. A little bit tired, but it's Saturday.
Yeah, that's
Now, quickly, because of the work I have and looking after the children, is going to be really hard for me to submit it. In 2 weeks' time. Is it possible? Can we extend that in any way?
Yeah, you can, when you are ready, just message me. I left my number here. Everyone got my number here. Matilda, Ali, and Hassan. Can you check your chat?
Let me see.
Yes, yes.
No,
Matilda,
I don't have anything.
No, I have it on the chat. I've copied it.
Yeah, that's the 0044. I think so for you before 74. Okay.
Is it possible? Can you write it on a meeting chat, please, so I can get it?
You are from UK, Hassan.
Yep, I am.
Yeah, that's the 074.
1 minute.
6620.
07466.
Yeah, here, if you check your Matilda, for you, it's
0044. Before the
0044, then 7466. Okay,
Yes.
that's great.
Right.
I just make sure that you don't, lost. I don't wanna, okay.
Okay.
So that's not a problem, Hassan. If there is any issues, or we know that most of people's are, students are, working students here mostly, or you have a family commitments and other things. But you make sure that you start your assignments, okay?
I have already started it. I'm nearly at the end of tax 1. I'm on the VAT section at the moment.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. The only thing is you don't delay. Oh, we'll do next week. We'll do next week. Then you
No.
complete, or you never can complete. Okay.
No, I do it every night now and then, to be honest. I sit down every night apart from Friday. I just shut down.
Yeah.
But I do it every night, just a little bit, so I can complete. I have on my VAT section at the moment. I'm nearly done on my VAT section. The only thing I have left is basically explaining the cash accounting, annual accounting. I did the flat rate, and then I will be done afterwards. I put the limits on there, and I did explain how they work, to be honest.
Okay, that's fine, no problem. I mean that what I'm saying, that once you delay, you know that you will get lazy, and we say, oh, we'll do tomorrow, we'll do next week. So
No, I have
saying
to
that
finish this, to be
at
honest.
least
So I'm
if you
trying to
can
finish
start,
it.
don't worry about limit. I can extend your, I can speak to Roman, or you can just message me or email me whenever you need extension. What I said, that 2 weeks from now, so when you will see that, oh, now is my time is finished, so you can just quick message me or email me at yasir@ukversity.co.uk, or just this is the quickest way for your convenience. I just left my number here because it'll be easy for you. Okay, before.
Rather than email, can I message? Can I have your email address as well for the essay, though?
Yeah, yasir@ukversity.co.uk.
ukversity.com.
Yasir at,
.uk.
yeah.
Can you write on a chat as well, Yasir?
I am just doing for you. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, so there is a, I think so, group as well, group or WhatsApp group as well for finance
Yeah,
or
we do have.
Yes, if you can put it there.
I don't know, but you can email me directly and you can message me directly, WhatsApp me directly, and I can, I'll answer you as soon as possible. Okay, I'll reply you. So basically, writing assignment is a, is a process that requires careful planning, research, and editing. But it's not a rocket science. It's a very simple, if you have enough knowledge, you just go through your slides and just start your assignment, and you can complete your assignment easily. So following these tips and taking the time to produce high quality, you can ensure that your assignment is successful. So anyway, I hope this information will help you in completing your assignment successfully. And good luck, everyone. And if you have any question or any issues, feel free to ask, and you can message me or you can email me at yasir@ukversity.co.uk. Okay, guys.
One question, like the sample you said you will send us.
Yes, I can. You can. As I said, you guys can message me. Then I'll send you a sample assignment. Okay.
Great, I'll send
Okay.
it.
Because I
Thank
don't
you.
have your guys' numbers or email. So if anyone can individually message me or email me, I can. Best way is if WhatsApp me, that I can send it to you straight away. Okay.
All
Okay.
right, Yasir.
Great.
Just your
Thank you
name
very
and
much.
that you are a taxation. So I will check most recent assignment sample, and you can follow the that assignment format. And
Oh,
That's
very
perfect.
good.
okay.
Great.
Anything,
Okay.
everything is okay. Matilda, Hassan, Ali, that's fine.
For
Any
now,
issue?
for now it's okay, but we'll have
No, that's
question
not
left.
it's not a big deal. I know that you guys can do, if you know that. Especially, I think so that see that Matilda is not from UK, she's from outside, so she can. I can say that might be big problems for her to get tax rates or things like that. Matilda, when you message me, just ask for a tax rates as well, so I can send it to you as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Thanks, Ali and Hassan and Matilda.
Thank you
Thank you
too.
very much, and good luck
Thank
for
you.
your assignment. Okay.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much,
Okay.
Yasir.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.